55-year-old woman presents to the physician's clinic for diabetes follow-up. She recently lost weight and believes the diabetes is winding down because urinary frequency has slowed down compared to when her diabetes was at its worst. She has been poorly compliant with medications, but she is now asking if she can decrease her medications as she feels like her diabetes is improving. Because of the decrease in urinary frequency, physician is interested in investigating her renal function. Which substance can be used to most accurately assess GFR in this patient? Creatinine, inulin, urea, glucose, and PAH. Inulin is the best predictor for GFR. Why is that the answer? Because it's freely filtered, it's not reabsorbed, it's not secreted, it's not metabolized. Whatever comes gets filtered, so best predictor for GFR. Why creatinine is not the answer? Because about 15% of creatinine does get secreted in your tubules. And so it's going to kind of overestimate your GFR, and that's why that's not the answer. Yeah. Urea, yes, you want to excrete it and all that, but that's not the best answer because urea does get reabsorbed in your thick ascending loop. Glucose, it's never the answer, right? Because you're not gonna lose your glucose. It's gonna get all reabsorbed back. So that's not the answer. And then PAH, again, it's also gets secreted. So that's why that's not the answer. And PAH, I would say, if they ask you what is the best predictor for renal plasma flow, then PAH will be the answer.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.